Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sonia D here. Today what I'm going to do is a hair routine. What I'm going to show you is how I do my hair before and after. So we're going to start off with the tools that I'm going to use. I'm going to comb out my hair. Now I have a couple tips. It's always good, well for me anyways, my personal experience, it's always good to comb out my hair before I get into the shower. This way it's not tangled in the shower. While I'm in the shower, I will leave my conditioner in after I put it on, and I'll leave my conditioner in while I wash myself and shave myself. So those are two little tips that I have. Also, another one is that I don't wash my hair every day. I wash my hair every second to third day, and I'm sorry, my cat's meowing. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm going to do a hair tutorial. If you want to see how I do my hair from frizzy, it's like really frizzy right now. I just got back from my walk, so it's really frizzy, gross. It's on its third day now since I washed it last. It's due. So if you want to see how I get my hair from this to nice and curly, because I do have naturally curly hair, so yeah, you'll see how I do my hair from now to whenever it's nice and curly and all done up. The first thing I do is comb out my hair before I get into the shower. What I do also whenever my hair is after I comb it out in the shower, like I'll show you, well I won't show you, but what I do after the conditioner is rinsed out, or while it's being rinsed out, I generally like to comb my hair with a pick, one of these. I like to use one of those in the shower, and then the hair that comes off of it, I generally stick on the tile because I don't want it to go in the drain. I try to, you know, help the situation a little bit, and then I just, you know, clean it after I get out of the shower. But anyway, so yeah, that's what I do. I generally comb out my hair. It's really naughty right now because like usually on the third day it gets naughty. Any product that I mention in my videos is definitely not sponsored. I'm just letting you know what products I like to use. So none of my videos are sponsored, and I make the horrible faces whenever I'm combing my hair. Am I alone? Whenever I was a little girl, I hated getting my hair combed. Hated it. It's pretty much combed out now, so it's not going to be so tangled in the shower, right? That's the goal, is to not be tangled, because it's not good to comb your hair wet. So when I comb out my hair with that pick, I only do it for like 2 seconds. This is what I use for my hair right now. It seems to be really good for it. So I'm going to go from this to, I'll show you guys my routine after I get out of the shower. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so there's the hair on the wall. I'm gonna wipe this off right now.
Jesus Christ.
So once I get out of the shower, this is like I comb my hair in the shower once like this. I showed this in my favorites video. I'm going to use this one here. This is the Clairol Herbal Essence. This one is Let Loose for Touchable All Day Waves.
I took my head over. I put a lot of this. Shake it. I put a lot, I'm warning you.
So once my mousse is in, I generally do one comb out with my fingers. And then what I'm going to do is actually let my hair air dry for about, I say 45 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to blow it out.
Eventually.
Selfie vlog time. The fan's blowing on my hair while it's air drying. So it's gonna be like this for about 45 minutes. All right, so I would say about maybe 30 minutes have gone by. So I use Conair with the diffuser. That's what I use. What I'm gonna do is blow dry my hair, put my hair forward, and then diffuse it.
I already diffused it a lot, but I wasn't recording, so so I basically just go over my hair, and then I scrunch up my fingers, like on my scalp.
So I tip my head over, and there you have it. How I get my curly hair. And there's how I do my hair on a regular basis. This is how. It's very simple. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. And again, subscribe if you haven't already, and be part of D Squad, and hit the notification bell. It'll let you know that I've posted. And love you. Bye, guys.